Welcome automotive modelers to the Mile High Scale Modeler channel. In this episode, I'm going to unbox my recent purchase from ProStreet Hobbies. ProStreet's products are limited supply and you have to get them while you can. I was fortunate to get my hands on this bagged kit that fits many of the Moebius Ford short bed trucks. You can find ProStreet Hobbies on eBay and Facebook. Looking through the clear baggies, the quality and detail matches what I have bought from other vendors in the past. The chassis comes in two pieces, which I like. This allows me the opportunity to shorten or extend the frame if needed. Just like any other 3D part, multiple primer and layer sessions will need to take place to get the lines gone and for a smooth surface. The fuel tank is a separate piece, but I wanted to show it in its spot within the chassis. Here are the three Moebius kits this chassis is stated to be compatible for: the 66 Ford F100 flare side, 66 Ford short bed, and the 70 Ford F100 custom. Opening the baggies, there are a fair amount of small parts. The rear end has very small layer lines. This is nice to see and will help make sanding and primering this smaller part a lot easier. A few supports from the print itself will need to be removed. The kit has two of these long extended shocks. The shocks are very nice quality. I hope dry fitting this entire chassis together, there isn't many alignment issues, which I've had in the past on chassis kits that are 3D printed from vendors. This is my first chassis kit from ProStreet Hobbies. There are also two smaller shocks, and here are the top and bottom A-arms. The second baggie I'm most excited for. This kit, when completed, will have a lot of wiring for the tank and air compressors. I'm excited to see how these fit on the chassis and get this build started. The airbags have very faint layer lines, so minimal sanding and maybe 2 coats of primer will be enough. This is a great looking Optimum battery that is 3D printed. The air tank I actually am not that happy with. I can see the vendor use a lot of supports on the bottom and around the sides of the tank. This may make it somewhat difficult when sanding and may take a good amount of time to get this nice and smooth for a finish for Alclad. I may end up using an actual aluminum spun tank. Here are the air compressors. Here are some pictures I found from eBay that ProStreet Hobbies had showcasing the chassis assembled. Overall, this is a great kit from what I've seen so far. I give props to ProStreet in making this chassis and selling it. This is definitely something you need to have in your stash if you can find them and for the right price. I look forward to building this chassis and using the Moebius 66 flare side kit. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below if you've bought from ProStreet Hobbies and what you bought from them. Remember, the models we build are cool, but the people who build them are cooler.